Hello everyone, let's learn Malay by just watching. Today we are going to chapter 27. I'm gonna explain about adverbs of manner. Chapter 27 or Bab 27. Adverbs of manner. A Bahasa Melayu adverb modifies a verb, an adjective or another adverb. For example, A. Usain Bolt berlari pantas. Usain Bolt runs fast. B. Bunga orkid ini sungguh cantik. This orchid is truly beautiful. C. Bailey Donovan berlari sangat pantas. Bailey Donovan runs very fast. In sentence A, the word pantas modifies the verb berlari. Pantas means fast. In sentence B, the word sungguh modifies the adjective cantik. In sentence C, the word sangat modifies the adverbs pantas. Adverbs which are used mostly to modify verbs. A. Guru-guru itu sampai awal. The teachers arrive early. B. Sila jawab surat ini segera. Please reply this letter immediately. C. Kalau dia bercakap perlahan-lahan, saya boleh faham. If he speaks slowly, I can understand. D. Berjalan baik-baik. Jalan ini sibuk. Walk carefully. This road is busy. E. Encik Murad ada di sini tadi. Mr. Murad was here just now. F. Kadang-kadang dia pergi ke pejabat dengan bas. Sometimes he goes to the office by bus. G. Awak pergi dahulu. Saya datang kemudian. You go ahead. I'll come later. H. Jangan datang dekat. Api ini merebak. Don't come near. The fire is spreading. I. Mengapa dia menangis? Why is he crying? J. Dia tentu lulus kali ini. He will certainly pass this time. You will notice that some adverbs of manner are formed by reduplicating the adjective either fully or partially. See examples C and D. C and D. Below are examples of adverbs which are used fully to modify adjective and other adverbs. A. Cuaca hari ini sangat panas. The weather is very hot today. B. Sungai Pahang lebih panjang daripada Sungai Perak. The Pahang River is longer than the Perak River. C. Bilik ini terlampau sejuk. Saya tak tahan. Or you can replace terlampau with terlalu. Bilik ini terlalu sejuk. Saya tak tahan. This room is too cold. I can't stand it. D. Harga barang-barang di kedai itu mahal belaka. The goods in that shop are all expensive without exception. Note, never use banyak for very because that would be Bazar Malay. Banyak use before noun. For adjective, sangat or terlalu, terlampau. Words to remember. Nouns, besi, iron. Sate, sate. Isteri, wife. Stesen, station. Peraturan, rules, from the word atur, manage. Verbs, Berebut-rebut, to rush, to struggle for something. Reda, to abate. Mengejar, to chase. Reda also means subside. Adjectives, enak, delicious. Another word is sedap. Sakit, sick. Ramai, many, for people. Terang, bright. Adverbs, awal, early. Cepat, quick. Cermat-cermat, carefully. Begini, this way. Begitu, that way. Dahulu, before, ahead. Dekat, near. Kadang-kadang, sometimes. Terlampau, too much. Terlalu, excessively. Pantas, swift, fast. Perlahan-lahan, slowly. Sangat, very. Sedikit, a little. Segera, immediately. Sungguh, really. Tadi, just now. Kemudian, later. Lambat, late. Baik-baik and hati-hati are another form of cermat-cermat. Same meaning, carefully. Perbualan or conversation. This conversation is between ibu and anak. Ibu means mother. Anak, child, son or daughter. Hai Limah, mengapa kau lambat balik? Susah nak dapat bas lah, Mak. Orang ramai sangat. Kau nunggu di mana? Tidak di stesen? Mah nunggu di stesen lah. Tapi, bila bas sampai saja, orang naik berebut-rebut. Orang tak mahu ngikut peraturan. Jadi, macam mana kau dapat naik? Mah terpaksalah nunggu sampai orang dah reda. Mah naik bersama-sama Zainab. Tak apalah lambat sikit. Biar lambat asalkan selamat. Translation. 5. Why did you come late? It's difficult to get bus, Mom. There are too many people. Where did you wait? Not at the station? I was waiting at the station, but once the bus arrived, the people rushed. They don't want to follow the rule. So, how did you manage to get in? I have to wait until the people subside. I get in together with Zainab. It's okay a little bit late. It doesn't matter being late provided that we are safe. So number 1, hi. Hi here is not greeting. It's exclamatory word indicating surprise. Limah is short from Halimah or Salimah. It's a female's name. Kau. Number 3, used by a superior to one inferior status. Original word is engkau. Number 4, lah, baslah. Lah used as a balanced word. 5, mak. Mak is short from emak, mother. 6, nunggu, short from menunggu, waiting. 7, tapi, from tetapi, but. 8, saja, another form of sahaja, just. 10, macam mana, means bagaimana, how. Macam mana is informal form. 11, sikit, little, abbreviated from sedikit. 12 is a proverb. Biar lambat asalkan selamat. Means it doesn't matter being late provided that we're safe. exercise or latihan. Number 1, run quickly, the cow is chasing you. Lari cepat, lembu itu mengejar awak. 2, kajang sate is very tasty. Sate kajang sangat enak. 3, I do it this way, you do it that way. Saya buat begini, awak buat begitu. 4, he is always sick. Dia selalu sakit. 5, this lamp is too bright. Lampu ini terlampau terang or terlalu terang or sangat terang. 6, Kenny is happy now. Kenny gembira sekarang. 7, this iron is hot. Hold it carefully. Besi itu panas. Pegang cermat-cermat or pegang baik-baik. 8, my sister sleeps early and gets up early. Kakak saya tidur awal dan bangun awal. 9, sometimes he plays badminton with his wife. Kadang-kadang dia bermain badminton dengan isterinya or isteri dia. 10, don't come late. Jangan datang lambat. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.